Hello and welcome to another episode of My Eyes Fucking Hurt because it's allergy season and I want to literally
rip them out of my face!
hope you stick around. ¿Qué es esto? Let's do that again. Hey Carillo, I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Right before we get started, as per usual, let's talk about the song of the motherfucking week. Okay, so I know that like for the majority of the weeks, I give you songs that like usually the general public can relate to. This week, I don't know. Because I did it again. I started listening to old songs. Shit that was popping when I was growing up. So I'm just gonna say it very quickly. And I better hear no judgment, no nothing. Te he querido, te he llorado de Ivy Queen. That's it. I don't want to hear nothing more. That song it was an iconic moment in history. That's it. Let's move on. Shut up. Alright, now that's out of the way. Let's get into this video. So as you saw by the title of this video, today we're doing a 5-product spring phase, which is an ongoing series in my channel. It is not my idea. This whole series idea was taken by Sincerely Sarah C, where she takes 5 products and creates a full face according to the season. If you want to see my past ones, my 5-product winter face and my 5-product fall face, I'm gonna link it down below. I link one of them here. And now we're moving on to spring. If you're new to my channel and you haven't seen any of those other videos, so basically I'm gonna create a full face using 5 products, but there is an extra 3 products that I don't mention in the 5 main ones because they're a given. They're like very basic. I'm talking about my brows, my mascara, and my setting powder. Those are 3 things that I literally cannot complete a full face of makeup of, and they usually never change. Okay, let's get started. It's a pretty easy concept to understand. Let's start with product number 1, and it's her. This is Miss Laura Mercier's tinted moisturizer. She's a very classic, like old school YouTube type of product, but I think 2 years ago Laura Mercier reformulated this, and it just like started popping up on like YouTube channels and YouTube reviews and whatever the fuck, and I fell for it and I bought it, and I haven't featured it on my channel, so let's feature it. Also, if you hear weird sounds coming from my right side, my dog is here today. He is on top of his little Mexican blanket. His dad is Mexican, so I don't know. He's biracial. He's biracial. I am in the shade Tawny in this one. Wait, let me zoom you in. So the tinted moisturizer actually has SPF, which is great. I don't use it as my main form of SPF, obviously. Bro, there's a reason why this product is a classic, because honestly it's just so easy to use. It gives you this beautiful little sheen, it evens out your skin, and it offers SPF protection. So honestly, what's not to love? And I'm gonna be featuring this product too on a future video I have coming up. I wanted to do it this week, but girl, I really didn't have the time. I'm going to do a little battle of the skin tints video where I'm gonna compare 8 very popular like skin tints / tinted moisturizer type products, so that you can see like the difference in coverage, finish, how long they last, etc, etc, so that you can determine which ones are really worth it for you, which ones you think really fit your bill. Now for product number 2, this is the product that's actually going to help with this swollen eye situation. It's the Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer. I use mine in the shade Hazelnut. I wanted to use this concealer for this little fresh spring look because, as the name suggests, it is a very radiant concealer, but it still manages to look natural. Girl, I need all the radiance in the world with the situation because oh my god, like if I already had problematic circles, allergies have made everything worse. My dog keeps getting closer and closer to me to crave attention. Look where he's at right now. Like he's literally right here next to me. Like his paws are outside of his blanket. Get your paws over there. Get your paws. He doesn't listen to me. Okay, I feel like this is the most concealer I've ever used on my channel, but girl, I really need it. Like, but look at the difference though. Wow, the way this concealer just makes me now look alive and like a healthy, normal person and not a walking zombie. Also, I still stand by the fact that this is a very close dupe to the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna go use one of my 3 freebies, which is my setting powder. I'll be right back. I'll be using my Kosas Cloud Set. We all know and love her. Be right back. All right, moving on to product number 3, we have Miss Revlon's powder blush in the shade Apricot. I was in the hunt for Miss Laura Mercier's Fresno. Is it Fresno or Fresco? I don't know. Editing me will let me know. But this shade, because it's so raved about by like YouTubers and influencers and all that shit, but I can't find that shit. I literally can't find it anywhere. And then I was at Ulta and I saw this shade and it reminded me so much of that I was like, is this a dupe? So I bought it. I bought it and it's literally my first time using it right now. I really hope I don't hate it because it looks like such a beautiful like nude spring fresh shade. Like it has the perfect balance of like pink and brown. So I really hope I like it. I'm gonna be using it with a very fluffy brush. Oh, holy shit. Okay. When you tap into it, there's a lot of product kickback. Bitch, I really hope I don't hate this. Oh, I don't hate it. Yeah, it does give that like very fresh, almost like a bronzer and a blush in one. Because it gives warmth and flush to the face at the same time. Oh, and I'm putting it here like as if it was like contour or like a bronzer. Because it has that little bit of like brown in it. So that it gives the face like a very sun-kissed fresh look. This is a very nice like 2-in-1 type of product. Like you can get that sun-kissed look from a bronzer. Get that little flush look from a blush. Holy shit, I'm in love with this shade. It does exactly what I wanted it to do. Bitch, I really be putting you on. Y'all can't complain to me. Okay, now that our base is completed, I'm gonna go jump off camera, do my brows. I'll be right back. Spoiler, I'm gonna be using the Kosas brow products, which are beautiful. That's all I'm gonna say. Be right back. Okay, brows are on. Oh my god, I'm feeling so much better. I feel like I hate my makeup up until the point that I do my brows and it's like, oh, I'm not ugly. I just don't have eyebrows. All right, moving on to product number 4 is this one. This is the Master Pigment Pro Eye Pencil from Makeup by Mario. This is so good. Bro, it's literally just an eyeliner. But listen, as someone who loves the shape that is given to my eyes with a good flicked liner, but lives terrified of liquid eyeliners, something like this, beautiful, takes the cake. Let me swatch it first before putting it in my eyes. This beautiful deep brown, like it's almost black. And then on the other side, it has this little brush that is actually good. I'm gonna do something very simple. I'm just gonna do a little smoked wing. I hope it doesn't turn into just like, I don't know, a smudge of brown on my eye. Let me see. I'm gonna do my whole best, okay? I start just like that by just doing a little smudge over there, nothing super defined, and then I turn it around and then start smoking it out and pulling it outwards. This is good, this is good. I'm just gonna add a bit more. I like this so much. Like I love it. Let me zoom you in. Hold on. You see how it's smoky, but it's still very defined? The fact that you only need one thing to do this, you don't need to go grab a separate brush to smoke it out and a separate brush to extend it. The fact that this brush can do both things, like extend the eyeliner and smoke it out, love it so much. All right, I'm gonna attempt to do the same on the other side. Don't hold me to it. I will do my best. Do they match? No. This one is more like, and this one is more like straight. Wait, I think they do match. Bro, they match in my head and that's all that matters. Okay, so I'm just gonna go off camera and use the last of my 3 freebies. My mascara. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Sky High, which, believe the hype, is really good. TikTok made me buy it and I do not regret it. BRB. Okay, mascara has been applied. And before we move on to the 5th and final product, I was like, I'm missing something. I'm missing something in the eyes. And I actually want to use some of the blush that I used on my face. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyes, like around here, like as a little flush of the blush. You see what I did there? I don't have a blending brush right here, so I'm literally just gonna use the same brush that I used for my face. I'm just gonna use it very carefully. It's just to give the eyes a little bit of a wash. See, I feel like that did a difference. I feel like that definitely made a difference and tied the eyes to the rest of the face to make everything just more cohesive. All right, there we go. Yes, now I feel better. Oh, I feel better now. Look at me doing things. All right, so for product number 5, the final product. This is the product that will make or break this face because she's a little bold. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in the shade Beaming Strawberry. Bro, this is a vibrant pink. As a brown person, I can't just be fucking around with pinks without adding some brown. Like, I really want to put a lip liner. This is what I'm trying to get at. I really want to put a lip liner, but I don't want to cheat because it's 5 products. It's not supposed to be 6. It's supposed to be 5. So, all that being said, I'm gonna put it on without a lip liner. If I look stupid, fuck this shit, I'm gonna put a lip liner on. We're getting really big. Okay, let me share this out with my fingers. But okay, this is how we look. It's not bad. It's definitely giving me Barb's vibes. This is such a good, comfortable formula though that I want to keep applying and applying because it just feels so good on the lips. But like, bitch, control yourself. You're starting to look like a fool. Oh my God, but like, look. It doesn't look bad. It's not bad. It's just, I know it could be better if I just add a bit of lip liner. I just thought of something. I have an eyeliner here and she is brown. Is that weird? Is that crazy? We're being creative. We're being resourceful. Okay, I'm just gonna add that tiny bit. I think I just did something. Oh my God, look at me. Look at me knowing how to use makeup. And that is how you work a pink lipstick as a melanated person. You add brown and everything just looks better. Just like in humans. And I look so fresh and springy. We made it! Alright, and this is it. This is the final look. I love it. I love it because it just looks so fresh. Like I look fresh faced with just like a touch of pink all over my face. I have a touch of pink on the eyes, a touch of pink on the cheeks that makes me look like fresh and flushed, and a touch of pink on the lips. This is spring to me. Like, this looks like spring. That's gonna be everything from me, guys. I really hope you guys liked it, find it entertaining, learned something, I don't know, maybe encouraged you to like use your makeup products in more than just one way. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I post videos every single weekend. Also follow me on Instagram at Mimeo6 for more pictures of my face, and on TikTok for more personality content, even though I haven't been posting on TikTok lately, but I will. And most importantly, girl, boy, gender non-binary, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.